If you want to install Cursor AI on Windows 11, here is a quick guide. Start by opening your preferred web browser on Windows 11. Then, type in Cursor AI into search bar. Now from the results, click on the official Cursor AI website, which should appear at the top. Once you're on the website, look for Download for Windows button and click it. With this, download process will start. It might take some time. After it has been downloaded, launch it. Now choose the location on your PC to save the file. When the download finishes, navigate to the folder where it was saved and double-click the installer to begin the setup. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes to continue. The installation will start automatically. When it's complete, you'll see the Cursor AI icon on the desktop. Double-click it to launch the application. During setup, select VS Code as your default keyboard, then click Continue. You'll also be asked whether you'd like to help improve Cursor by sharing anonymous usage data. Choose whichever option you prefer. Next, create an account by entering your email address or log in if you already have one. Once signed in, your Cursor AI is ready to use. And that's it. This is how you can easily install and set up Cursor AI on Windows 11. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.